Hey, good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you. It is Monday, July the 22nd. It's early in the day. It's only about 1:30, and I'm doing this recording early because I have to leave for the rest of the day. I'm not going to be able to continue trading. I typically don't trade too much anyway from noon until 2 o'clock. I did take a trade here, which ended up being a bad trade. But yeah, I had a tough morning. And then just a heads up for the rest of the week, I have got a pretty hectic week ahead of me, and I am not sure how many days I'll be trading, how much I'll be trading, or how many updates I will have. So if the updates are a little bit spotty this week, that is why. If you don't see an update from me, I just wasn't able to get to an update that particular day. So throwing that out there. But real quick, just a recap of today. We have had just an absolute erratic market today, just crazy volume and volatility. I mean, here at like 11:10 or something like that, 100-point candle back to the downside. I mean, we just had some mega moves and a very high volume and lots of volatility. It was just tough trading. I'm very, very happy that I was trading nothing but micros today. I did switch to micros, especially as my game plan is to try to build a little bit of profit. My goal would be to get to like 100 or so, maybe $150 in profit, and then switch to minis if the market conditions are attractive to me in that regard. But on the 55 account, had that account down a little bit, but brought it back up and got it into profit. Again, this is all trading minis or micros. And then this 56 account, I did hit my daily. I actually adjusted my daily stop. I'll just show you here. I adjusted it to 400. I am just not going to give back much. I actually thought about even cutting it back to like 300 or 250. So we'll see. If I'm going to be trading micros, I really want to focus on trying to get into some profits and not have any big losing days. So on Friday, I think I had this set at like 600 or 700, and I pulled it back to 400. Unfortunately, didn't hit it here. But it is what it is. It's just one of them tough days. Didn't have a very good day trading evals either. Red pretty much everywhere. And then this one here, I did have it down quite a bit, but brought it back to pretty much break even. So lost about $800 on that 250K account, which is a little bit tough. But in any case, it was one of those days. Like I said, we just had these crazy moves, and I just picked the wrong times, even with micros. Here I was trying to see a continuation of this VWAP hold in this 19,900 level. And, I entered this trade. I had a little bit of a winner here. Here I had a couple winning trades, and, I get a little run where I get some winners, and then I enter this trade and we get a pullback right there, and just took me out. And I was just kind of over it, and I walked away. I walked away from my computer screen for a little while. And then I came back and I saw this move up. I wanted to enter here, and I thought about it, and yet I was like, I don't want to enter without a pullback. And I should have entered because we had this nice little rep higher. And then we had a pullback up here, and I thought, well, I'm going to get in. This is probably going to continue. And of course, then we have a deeper pullback. So when this happened, I decided, you know what? And actually that's where I hit my daily stop. And I'm like, you know what? It's not worth it. I'm going to walk away. I have to leave anyway. So I'm just writing it up as today's just one of those bad days. For a trading perspective, for me, it was just a tough day. I'm happy that, we didn't have a worse day. I'm really, really sad that this particular account is the one that I most recently passed, and I paid the lifetime fee for it because I have been holding on to my accounts for over a month. And I thought to myself, rather than paying 2 months of $85 and paying $170, why not just pay a $140 and have a lifetime fee? And if it takes me a long time to get to a payout, fine. I don't have to push it. Well, now I'm down here with $300 left to draw down. So I have to have a winning day or two, and I might just call it on this account going forward. If I've got to, if I get to $50 or $100 in profit, I might just call it and say I'm done and kind of slowly build it back up, because it doesn't matter if it takes me another year to get there. It can. We can hang on to this thing for a long time for all I care. So unfortunately, today was not one of those days, but it is what it is. So that's pretty much it. That's a wrap for today. I'm curious to see how the rest of the day goes. I'm going to miss not trading Power Hour. I have had really good success trading the Power Hour, and but I'm not going to be able to do that today, so that's okay. Hopefully you guys have a good day and trade well. Also, I do want to remind everybody that this Take Profit 40% off lifetime fee sale is ending this Sunday, the 28th of July. So if you are take profit account traders and you want to take advantage of that 40% off and no activation fee, use code BCT. It always gets you the best deal with Take Profit Trader or Apex Trader funding, but that Take Profit deal is ending this Sunday, so don't forget about that. And just another big thank you to those of you that use my codes. I really do appreciate it. It does help me out, helps the channel, and thank you very much for that. So if you're new here, feel free to like and subscribe. I try to do these videos on a daily basis on at least the days that I'm trading, and take you along on my trading journey. As of the last couple of months, we have kind of hit a doldrums, if you will, and I am bound and determined to get out of that and get back into the payouts. So anyway, that's a wrap. Have a great rest of the day. Have a good night. Have a great day tomorrow. And hopefully I'll have an update for you in the next day or two. Take care.